Is your gas furnace, air conditioner, or rooftop heating and cooling equipment acting up? Then Almax Heating and Air Conditioning is the contractor you need. Call 519-781-HEAT. Licensed HVAC technicians are standing by 24 hours a day. Inside your home or business, you, your family, and clients will never have to feel the freezing winter or hot summer days again. Call 519-781-HEAT for routine service, emergency repair, new heating and cooling equipment, gas lines, and ductwork. Call Almax 519-781-HEAT. That's 519-781-4328. Or visit us online at almaxair.com. Serving Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, Belleville, and surrounding areas for over 10 years.